In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to help you write emails. If you ever spend too much time staring at a blank screen, trying to figure out how to start an email, ChatGPT can make the process much faster and easier. It can help you draft professional emails in seconds, whether you need a business message, a customer support reply, a sales email, or a simple follow-up. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can give ChatGPT a clear instruction and let it generate a complete draft for you. For example, you can say, write a professional email requesting a project update from a client. This is a great way to save time, especially when you need to send similar types of messages on a regular basis. It also helps you adapt your wording for different audiences and situations. Another useful way to use ChatGPT is to improve the tone and clarity of an email you have already written. If your message sounds too casual, too direct, or just a little unclear, you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in a more polished way. It can help make your email sound more professional, more friendly, or more persuasive depending on the situation. It can also fix grammar, spelling, and formatting issues while making the message clearer and more concise. A simple prompt like, rewrite this email to sound more professional and persuasive, can go a long way. This is especially helpful when you want to make a strong impression without overthinking every sentence. ChatGPT can also help you create many different types of emails. You can use it to generate sales emails, thank you messages, follow-ups, job application emails, networking emails, customer service responses, and announcements. If you want options, you can even ask for multiple versions so you can compare styles and choose the one that fits best. For example, you might ask it to write a follow-up email after a job interview expressing appreciation and interest. Having several versions to review can help you find the right balance of tone, length, and professionalism. Before you send any email, it is always smart to review and optimize it. ChatGPT can help check for errors, improve readability, and shorten long messages without removing the key information. It can also generate stronger subject lines and suggest better calls to action, which may improve engagement and response rates. For example, you can ask it to review an email and suggest improvements to increase engagement and response rates. Used the right way, ChatGPT becomes a practical writing assistant that helps you communicate more clearly, more confidently, and in far less time.